Hi friends, you are watching Down Performance Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about custom made cold air intake system for Mitsubishi Lancer diesel engine. This season I used stainless steel 304 stainless steel material only, 100% stainless steel for weight reduction and durability. This season the parts before assembling the manifold custom made parts. This is air filter, 100% cotton air filter for bigger and wider fins for a higher air suction. This kind of cold air intake system will help the engine to breathe easier and make thermal efficiency more because of the cold air intake system now. So the atmosphere air will suck from this air filter to the inlet manifold due to low air resistance. So low air resistance means what will happen now? The temperature of the air will be low when comparing to stock one, because bigger air filter and bigger manifold will give low air temperature of the suction power to the engine, so that will be have high thermal efficiency and compression ratio will be good for high flow air intake system, cold air intake system. Thank you friends for watching. This is our WhatsApp group, you can text it, or this is my Facebook official page, you can text it. For DM, scan this QR code.